Did you know that every living organism is made up of cells? Yes, cells are the basic building block of all living things. So, for today's objectives, we'll be identifying the structures in plant and animal cells. So we'll start with an animal cell. So you're required to know these basic structures. So an animal cell, irregular shape. And so you should be able to identify the nucleus, which is highly or darkly stained in the microscope as observed under the microscope. So that's our nucleus. Then our cell membrane, that boundary surrounding the cell, and our cytoplasm. So, and an animal cell has mitochondria. So just let's draw two in. And so those are two mitochondria. You're also required to be able to draw a plant cell and label these structures. So a plant cell has a more regular shape than an animal cell. Plant cell also has a double membrane. So just let's draw the double membrane surrounding the plant cell. A double membrane. And so our plant cell has cell wall on the outside and then cell membrane on the inside. It also has cytoplasm just as the animal cell does. Let's draw our nucleus found to the side of the plant cell rather than to the center. So that's our nucleus, highly stained. A plant cell has mitochondria as well. Don't know why that's missing, but also has mitochondria. So let's draw some mitochondria in. I think 4 will be enough. So that's our mitochondria. We draw them to the side. Then we have to have space for our large central vacuole. And of course, these dark structures which represent our chloroplast. So a plant cell has loads of chloroplast. Right? So that's our chloroplast and of course our large central vacuole and our mitochondria. Next, we are going to pause for a few seconds and you have a go at this question. So next lesson we look at functions of parts, but just to get you thinking, which organelle controls the cell activities? Is it the mitochondria, the nucleus, the cytoplasm, or the vacuole? Now, you guessed right. Or the nucleus is what controls the center of the cell, or controls, or is a control center of the cell. So your challenge question for this week: a scientist observes a cell under a microscope. The cell has a nucleus, cytoplasm, and a cell membrane, but no chloroplast or cell wall. Is it a plant cell or an animal cell? You need to explain your answer to this. So before you go, try today's challenge question and post your answer in the comments. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more CSEC biology lessons. Remember, here we learn biology, we think biology, we pass biology. This is CSEC biology lessons with MJB. See you in the next lesson.